Vlogs here. It's a bit dark, but we're at Battersea's supercar meetup. It's a supercar AMG meetup. DMO's here, my boy Saudi is here, a lot of people are here, loads of cars, loads of footage. Not gonna do much talking, just check this out. Peace.
Vlogs, shout out. I mean, AMG getting date. What you think, bro? What's up, mate? What's the deal, man?
I'm looking at that one. OB Vlogs, back again. When there's cars and people, he knows he's there.
So, we got G, a drone operator. How you doing, people? Your boy Vlogs here. So what you just seen is the footage from last night. It was the Mercedes AMG supercar meetup. Right now, waiting for my mate to come, Aaron, to go do some exercises in the park. Check this out, man. Today should be a productive one. Stay tuned. Peace. Yes, it's your boy OB Vlogs here. So I'm out today with my mate Aaron, who's going to be the allocated drone operator today. And I've noticed in one of the local parks where I live, they've got this little area in the park where they've got all these like little exercise machines and stuff. So I'm gonna for the last few weeks we've been really focusing on upgrading our equipment, getting better cameras, bringing in drones. The team's got drones now, the boys have got new cameras. The only thing we're just lacking now is getting solid footage. I mean, in my diary I've got events. I still need to put in more events into my diary. I need to do more challenges. I need to start focusing more on my vlogging.
But in the next few weeks, you'll see big difference in my channel and in the videos and everything. Stay tuned, guys. Peace.